TCI Rock Strata quiz read aloud version. Feel free to pause this at any point in time that you need to. If you need to rewind to rehear a word, please feel free. So, the hour for science, please choose your correct hour. Fill in your last name and first name. Number 1. Blank determines the age of a rock by comparing it to the rocks around it. A. Relative dating. B. Absolute dating. C. Dependent dating. D. Independent dating. 2. Where do volcanoes form? A. Hotspots. B. Convergent boundaries. C. Divergent boundaries. D. All of the above. 3. A hotspot is a place where blank from the mantle rises to the crust. A. Fire. B. Magma. C. Solid rock. D. Molten iron. 4. Rock layers below are blank rock layers above. A. Younger than. B. Older than. C. The same age as. D. Either older or younger than. 5. What kind of rock does absolute dating work for? A. Igneous. B. Metamorphic. C. Sedimentary. D. Thickly layered. C. For the law of superposition. Oops, sorry. 6. For the law of superposition to hold true, the layers of rock must be A. Eroded. B. Weathered. C. Igneous. D. Undisturbed. 7. Why is the Grand Canyon a good place to study rock layers? A. It's older than any other location. B. It's undisturbed by weathering or erosion. C. Lots of layers have been uncovered by river erosion. D. Volcanoes have laid down many layers of igneous rock that can be absolutely dated. 8. It is reasonable to guess that the rock layers on either side of a gap are the same age because of the principle of A. Superposition, B. Lateral continuity, C. Original horizontality, D. Cross-cutting relationships. 9. What can cause rock layers to fold? A. Gravity, B. Braces, C. Volcanic eruptions, D. Tectonic forces. 10. According to the law of blank, rock layers form in blank layers due to gravity. A. Superposition, B. Lateral continuity, vertical, C. Original horizontality, horizontal, D. Cross-cutting relationships. 11. If an igneous rock cuts a sedimentary rock in half vertically, which rock is older? A. Igneous, B. Sedimentary, C. They are the same age, D. There is no way to tell. 12. What's the name of the law that states that a rock featuring cutting across another rock feature is the younger of the two rocks? A. Law of superposition, B. Law of lateral continuity, C. Principle of original horizontality, D. Law of cross-cutting relationships. 13. Which of the following is a feature that is applicable to the law of cross-cutting relationships? A. River erosion, B. Igneous intrusion, C. Horizontal igneous layer, D. Horizontal sedimentary layer. 14. What are fossils? A. Any remains of an organism, B. Rocks that have been weathered, C. The preserved remains of organisms, D. The rocks in the shape of ancient organisms. 15. The law of blank says that the sequence of changes in organisms as recorded by fossils is the same everywhere on Earth. A. Superposition, B. Lateral continuity, C. Fossil succession, D. Original horizontality. 16. Fossils of organisms that lived in a widespread area over a short period of geologic time are called A. Index fossils, B. Common specimens, C. Indicator remains, D. Pervasive pointers. 17. Why are index fossils important? A. They are very rare. B. They indicate where to look for other fossils. C. They allow for absolute dating of rock strata. Sorry, that was C. D. They are useful for relative dating. 18. Radioactive atoms blank and form a different kind of atom. A. Aggregate, B. Explode, C, implode, D, decay. 19. Igneous rocks contain radioactive atoms, so the rock gets older. A, it breaks up into many pieces. B, fewer active atoms remain. C, more radioactive atoms accumulate. Or D, it becomes dangerously radioactive. 20. Rock A has 50% of its uranium atoms remaining, and rock B has 20% of its uranium atoms remaining. Which rock is older? A, rock A, B, rock B, C, they are the same age, D, it's impossible to tell from this information. 21. What is it called when scientists use radioactive atoms to absolutely date igneous rocks? A, atomic dating, B, uranium dating, C, radioactive dating, D, radiometric dating. 22. A 3 million year old igneous layer lies below a sedimentary layer that lies below a 2 million year old index fossil. How old is the sedimentary layer? A, older than 3 million years old, B, younger than 2 million years old, C, between 2 and 3 million years old, D, it's impossible to tell from this information. And lastly, number 23, a fault line runs through an igneous intrusion in a sedimentary rock layer. The youngest feature is A, the fault line, B, the igneous intrusion, C, impossible to determine, D, the sedimentary rock layer.